Hello, Summit Ridge families. This is a brief explanation on how to access Parent Portal to check your students' grades, attendance, and schedule. From the Summit Ridge Middle School homepage, you will go to the For Families tab and scroll down to Family Portal. Once there, you will see a variety of Jeffco login buttons. You will choose Infinite Campus. Once in Infinite Campus, you want to choose Campus Parent as you have your own login that is separate from your students. Students will use their student ID to log in. You will use your Jeffco School Connect and any other Jeffco login information that you use for lunch accounts and things like that. You will type in your username and then your password. Once you are in Infinite Campus, you will see this Message Center and homepage. From here, you can go through your students' assignments, grades, attendance, and schedule. When you click on Schedule, you will see that you have an option, if you have more than one student enrolled in Jeffco, to toggle between them. At Jefferson County, you will see, in Summit Ridge, you will see the green Day 1, Day 2, Silver Day 1, Silver Day 2, and White Remote. Your student understands what these schedules means. If you have any questions, please ask them to explain their Silver and Green Day schedule. You can also see your students' attendance. You will notice if there are any absence or tardies. Please contact your students' teachers directly if you have questions about the absence or tardies, as the main office only sees the same thing you do. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions again about your students' grades or attendance, please contact your students' teachers directly. Their emails can be found on the Summit Ridge homepage under Classrooms. You can find them each by grade level, or you can click on the staff directory. Thank you so much.